Say kaangay kanon. Say imong gikuan paggawas nga kuan. Sudan? Manok? Kamu sudan daw kuno kay manok. Manok aduan ng manok awam boboy. My eyes began to smile. Les itibul sitting sa nalis ba? Itibul sitting sa. Yan si Lola, I won't belong. Human na lang ulan, wag gay belong. Ay. I won't belong. But where is she? My eyes begin to swell. Tanawa? Wala pa. Ever since I met you. Bagalang na human ang ulan. Magulang chud na human ang ulan. As in. So, ang ulan ba karang? Mangulatan ni Lola, kaya mawala na daw siya. She won't belong, but the time is over. Over and over. So, hulato na to siya there, guys. Kanang mag-ana siya sa gate, man siya muagi. So, kinahanglan na aware ta nga nato siya makita, kay abrihan nato siya og pintuan. Ay, kung di nato siya maabrihan sa pintuan, maimpasta what they doing inside. So, I need to focus what I have to see. I don't want to see any I just want to face this gate to see what's mom time coming. So I wait because she said she won't be long, but almost 10 already, so it's okay. I can wait for her because I want to open the door for her.